Okay, 2 minus x plus 2 all over x minus 3 minus x minus 6 over x plus 3 can be written as a single fraction ax plus b all over x squared minus 9, where a and b are integers. And remember, integers means whole numbers. Work out the value of a and b. Now, if you look at the x squared minus 9 and you look at these, you might think, how do I get from x plus 3 to x squared minus 3? Now, this is what we call the difference of two squares. If you get a square number at the front and a square number at the back. And this can be made up from x plus 3 and x minus 3. And this is a big clue about what to do here. So let's work backwards. So I'm going to write this question again. 2 minus x plus 2 all over x minus 3 minus x minus 6 all over x plus 3. Now to make all of these 3, and this is still, I'm going to treat it sort of like a fraction to that. This one here, I have to multiply the top and the bottom by x minus 3, because then when I expand it, my denominator becomes that. But because this is a minus, I need to make times this by x plus 3 and x plus 3, beginning to get the same denominator. Now, my denominator here, I could times it by x minus 3 and x plus 3, or I could just do it by x squared minus 9. And so I'm going to times the top by x squared minus 9. Okay. So in all three of the cases, my denominator is going to be x squared minus 9. Okay. So I'm just going to focus on my numerator. I'm just going to rewrite it so it looks a little bit easier. So I've got 2 brackets x squared minus 9 minus x plus 2, x plus 3, minus x minus 6, x minus 3. And it's just the numerator I'm dealing with. So just remember, I do have a denominator. Let's expand this. I've got 2x squared minus 18 minus, and I'm going to put the minus in now afterwards. X times x is x squared, x times 3 is 3x, 2 times x is 2x, 2 times 3 is 6, and minus brackets, because there's a minus there, x times x is x squared, x times negative 3 is negative 3x, minus 6x, 6 times 3 is a positive 18. Okay. Minus 18. Then I'm going to deal with a minus, and I've done this just because people mess around with minuses is a common mistake. 3 plus 2 is 5. I remember I'm doing a minus, it becomes minus 5x and minus 6. Deal with a minus here. Minus x squared. 3 minus 6 is minus 9, so it actually becomes positive 9x. That becomes negative 18. Now we put our terms together. I've got a 2x squared minus 1x squared minus another 1x squared, which actually gives me no x squared, which is good because I haven't got an x squared here on this part of my question. So I know that bit there's right. I've got negative 5x plus a 9x, which is a positive 4x. And then I've got minus 18, minus 6, and minus 18, which is minus 42. So that's my numerator. And let's not forget our denominator is x squared minus 9, because we did that earlier, but we forget. So if we, I'm just going to write ax plus b over x squared minus 9. From here, it's a little bit easier to look. A must be 4. Not 4x must be 4, and b must be negative 42.